You're already late for work. You jump into your car, turn the key or press the engine start button, and instead of the familiar roar of your engine, you are greeted by something very frustrating. Maybe it's a fast, frantic clicking noise coming from under the hood, or maybe it's complete, dead silence. We've all been there, and it's easily one of the most annoying moments any driver can experience. Today, we are going to break down exactly what your car is trying to tell you when it refuses to crank, specifically comparing the notorious click-click sound against total silence, and how you can diagnose the exact culprit step by step. But before we get started, if you enjoy practical automotive tips and want to learn how to fix and maintain your own vehicle, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up on this video. Your support truly helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you more helpful guides like this every single week. Now, let's jump right in. To understand why your car isn't starting, you first need a basic idea of how the starter motor functions. When you turn your key to the start position, an electrical signal travels from your ignition switch, often passing through safety switches, fuses, and a relay, to the starter solenoid. The solenoid is a small electromagnetic switch mounted directly on top of the starter motor. It performs two crucial jobs at the exact same moment. First, it physically pushes a small pinion gear out to engage with your engine's flywheel. Second, it bridges a heavy electrical contact that dumps massive current straight from your battery into the starter motor, spinning the engine over. When any part of this system breaks down, the symptoms usually fall into two main categories: the click sound, or pure silence. Let's start with scenario number 1, the rapid clicking sound. If you turn the key and hear a fast succession of metallic clicks, almost sounding like a machine gun under the hood, this is actually good news in terms of diagnosis, because it narrows down the problem dramatically. What is actually happening during rapid clicking is a continuous electrical loop of failure. When you turn the key, the starter solenoid receives enough voltage to pull in and push the gear forward, creating that first click. However, the moment those high amperage contacts close to feed power to the main starter motor, the motor demands a massive surge of current. If your battery is weak, discharged, or if there is severe resistance from corroded cable terminals, the system voltage instantly drops. Because the voltage drops, the electromagnet in the solenoid loses its magnetic pull and releases the contact, causing the second click. With the starter motor disconnected, the voltage recovers slightly, causing the solenoid to pull back in again. This cycle repeats several times per second, resulting in that distinct fast clicking noise. 9 times out of 10, a rapid click means low battery voltage, a bad ground connection, or dirty, corroded battery terminals that need to be cleaned and tightened. On the flip side, what if you hear only one single loud click when you attempt to start the car? A single solid click tells you something slightly different. It means your ignition system, relays, and the solenoid itself are doing their jobs. The solenoid is energizing and slamming the pinion gear into the flywheel, which makes that single click. However, the starter motor itself fails to rotate. This can happen for a few reasons. Either the internal electrical contacts within the solenoid are worn or burned out, preventing power from reaching the motor windings, or the starter motor's internal carbon brushes are completely worn away. In some cases, the starter motor might be mechanically seized, or the engine itself could be locked up. If your battery tests at full voltage and you still get a single heavy click, the starter motor assembly itself has likely reached the end of its life. Now let's move to scenario number 2, dead silence. You turn the key, and nothing happens at all. No attempt to crank, no solenoid movement, no clicks whatsoever. Dead silence usually points to an issue earlier in the electrical circuit, before current ever reaches the starter solenoid. The most common culprit is a completely discharged battery, one so dead that it doesn't even have enough residual energy to energize the small coil inside the solenoid. You can easily test this by turning on your headlights or cabin lights. If they don't light up at all or are extremely dim, your battery is completely drained. However, if your dashboard lights up normally, your power windows work, but you still get absolute silence when turning the key, the issue lies in the control circuit. Modern vehicles use safety switches to prevent the car from starting in gear. In an automatic transmission, this is the neutral safety switch. In a manual transmission, it's the clutch pedal position switch. If these switches fail or fall out of alignment, the computer thinks the car is unsafe to start and cuts power to the starter relay entirely. Another common cause for dead silence is a blown starter fuse, a faulty starter relay, a damaged ignition switch, or an issue with your vehicle's anti-theft immobilizer system. If the security system fails to recognize your key's transponder chip, it will intentionally cut the signal to the starter, leaving you with complete silence. So, what should you do if you find yourself stuck with a car that won't start?